The truth is, a limited lifetime warranty isn't a lifetime warranty. Most only cover materials for a few years, and many don't cover labor or shipping at all. How companies get away with saying their warranties are lifetime is beyond misleading. The only manufacturers offering true lifetime warranties are Sunrise, Simonton, and our manufacturer, Softlight. If your replacement contractor uses anyone else, most likely you are being sold a limited warranty that doesn't cover everything it should. Zen Windows offers what we call a double lifetime warranty. That means we cover both product and labor, and even accidents, for life. It also means your lifetime warranty won't be prorated and become weaker as years pass. There's no fine print, no catch, just a solid lifetime warranty you can truly count on. Call Zen Windows today at 615-424-8102 for more information.